Hello friends, this channel is Indian Nama Vijay Rani. Today we are going to see a place which is a military sanitary. It's a cemetery of nearly like 1 lakh soldiers. So this is the entrance where they have kept an old tank, like old model tank. So this was the tank which they were using in World War II. And this plate is showing the details of the tank, like how much kg was it, and what kind of ammos we should load. And these are the old pics taken during the constructions. So see here, like fully they are burying the bodies of soldiers. And this is the place map, and this is how they were burying the soldiers with full respect. And this was the old entrance, and this is like the mini missile launchers which was used in World War II. And old rocket launchers. This place they are maintaining like a museum, and this is big tanker. And most of the time these tanks were moved by horse, like they used to use horses to pull these tanks like chariots, because like 50 to 60 years ago there were no proper engines like diesel or petrol engines to pull the tanks. So these are the old tanks which were used for that war. These are like war memorials. And right opposite to this place we have the cemetery. Like it is covered by this cemetery covers a hill, like it will be like a step by step formation. And in each steps, like nearly thousands of soldiers were buried. And this side they have some hideout place during war, like the war bunkers and the war places. So these were the bunkers. So in this cemetery nearly like 1 lakh soldiers are buried. And like behind this cemetery we have like German soldiers cemeteries. So this is a bunker entrance. This bunker was used in World War II. And here is the detail of this bunker. It is dating 1915, which was when it was constructed, and it was used for military practices. And in this bunker we have some facilities for military people, like they can rest here, they can keep their military equipments, weapons like ammos and guns in a self kind of structure. And they will hide in this bunk, and they will be shooting against the enemies. And these are the weapon holders, like shelves. And this goes on. And these are a few big bunkers where the army soldiers will be taking rests. And if you notice, like in the wall we have some squared holes. So those holes were used for holding the guns and firing with a cover. So this is a big block where they can watch enemies and they can use big machines. And these are the soldiers hole, like this upper triangle they will place the guns, and below they can place the ammos, because during those days they were using only rifles. So for every two shots they have to reload. And there was a like stage kind of thing which is broken now, where the soldiers used to stand. So these are the main watch places. And you can see the walls which is made of stones. It is like a 50s construction. And it is fully equipped military base. It was a fully equipped military base during that time. So nearly like 1 lakh soldiers were died here. So if you are able to guess how many soldiers were fighting in this place. So here you can see the stage also where the soldiers were used to stand. So in the old bunker it was not available, it was totally broken, but here we can see the stage where they used to stand. And then as we come out of here, like we can see new development all around, like there is a railway line very nearby. And then again we are going to enter into the cemetery. So this is how the cemetery is. And you can see like the stones of every generals and soldiers are above the cemetery. So this is the main stone where they have written the memorial for the soldiers. And you can see in the center there is a black graveyard, that is for the king who was fighting here. And in this graveyard alone there they have the total family of the king buried with him. So we have a special entrance for that, but due to current situation we are not supposed to enter inside. So this place is officially closed, that's why there are so many barricades. So please subscribe to this channel, and please